The EdgeUp program supports displaced professionals in the energy sector in transitioning them into digital technology roles.
When EdgeUp launched in Calgary, we were seeing economic downturn, we were seeing oil prices starting to hit rock bottom. We saw a massive amount of layoffs going on in this city. But what we also saw was a burgeoning digital economy. And so at that time, it was a perfect opportunity for us to shift and to start to grow that other type of skill sets in our community.
The EdgeUp program was designed to bring those skilled engineers, geoscientists, physicists back into the workforce.
After an established career in the energy industry, my position was eliminated. When you lose your sense of value from not having a job, you're lost. You're floating in a sea of hopelessness sometimes.
The scary possibility is starting over the very bottom after being well established in a career, and what will that mean? You know, what will happen next?
When you're a mid-career professional, you might have a family, you might have a mortgage, so there are time and financial pressures.
So a mid-career professional transitioning has a lot of unique challenges, but it's all those skills that we don't want to lose that we really want to make sure we're taking advantage of.
It's amazing to have programs like EdgeUp that are finding people with that amazing attitude and then making sure they have the skills needed to hit the ground running. They can learn without just starting from ground zero.
You're not starting fresh, you're not starting new. You get to create new skill sets that can continue on with your career.
We feel that Calgary is a growing hotspot for artificial intelligence and software development, and so we feel that programs like EdgeUp and Upskilling in general really contributes to the talent pool in this city.
EdgeUp provided me with skills and confidence. It was a catalyst for moving into tech.
EdgeUp helped me to see value in my existing skill set. They also helped me one-to-one mentoring and finding opportunities, job opportunities.
I've led numerous projects, people, so I have a lot of leadership skills, a lot of project management skills. What EdgeUp brought for me was that technical developer side of it, which was hugely impactful in getting a role in tech.
Getting my first role as a software developer at Benevity felt amazing because it really made me feel like the journey I had been on was worthwhile.
EdgeUp was a highly successful program. We've proven that by working together, we can get folks back to work in our highly diversified economy.
The key here was all about collaboration with Calgary Economic Development, the federal government, Future Skills Canada, ICTC, Ripen, all of our post-secondaries in the city, and our private sector as well. It took a village to make this work, and it did, and I think we're seeing those results. Over 80% of our graduates have either been back employed with other industries or are going back to school to learn even more. So for us, it's been a huge success.